Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a tea drawing using an easy method. First, let's establish the basic shape of our teacup. Start by lightly sketching an oval for the top opening. Then, draw two gentle, curved lines extending downwards from the sides of the oval to form the body of the cup. Finally, connect these lines with a subtle, flat curve at the bottom to create the base. Keep your lines light and fluid. Now let's add some character to our teacup. For the handle, draw a C-shaped curve on one side of the cup. Inside this, draw a slightly smaller inverted C-shape to give the handle some thickness and dimension. Next, to show our tea is warm and inviting, draw three gentle, wavy lines rising from the cup's opening. These lines will beautifully represent the steam. With the basic elements in place, it's time to refine our drawing. Carefully erase any initial sketch lines that are no longer needed or that overlap. To add depth, use light, parallel lines to create subtle shading on the inside of the cup, suggesting the liquid within. Then, go over the main outlines of the cup and handle, darkening them slightly to give your drawing a crisp, defined look. For our final touches, let's complete the scene. Draw a gentle, curved line beneath the cup to represent a saucer, giving your teacup a stable resting place. You might also consider adding a small detail like a tea bag string hanging from the cup or a tiny lemon slice on the saucer. Take a moment to review your drawing, making any last adjustments to ensure it looks just right. You've created a lovely tea drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.